Welcome to day 14 of our May Reset Challenge. Woke up feeling stiff, heavy, or hunched, like your body's trying to move forward, but your hips and posture are stuck in yesterday. Let's reset your hips, realign your spine, and return to center. Let's hit the mat. Your hips are the base of everything: mobility, posture, and energy. If they are locked, everything else compensates. This movement reintroduces gentle, grounded freedom. Begin in a tall kneeling position. Slowly rock your hips in a half circle, forward, to the side, and back. Stay controlled. After 30 seconds, reverse the direction. You can feel a stretch through the hip flexors, gentle mobility in the lower back. This move rehydrates your hip joints and brings back fluid motion. I promise it'll shift your whole posture from stiff to supple. Next, we're going to lengthen through the side body. Don't skip it. Can you deepen the arc just by 1 inch without losing control? Are you flowing from your hips or pushing from your spine? That just rewired your base. Now let's lengthen the spine. If you've been sitting or sleeping curled in, this stretch brings expansion back. It opens your ribs, spine, and breath. From kneeling, step your right foot out wide to the side. Reach your right arm overhead and leaning to the left. Make gentle circles with your arm. Then switch sides after 30 seconds. You can feel a length through the side waist, stretch from the hip to ribs. This stretch reconnects your breath and your spine to your posture. I promise you'll stand taller. This also stretches your intercostal muscles, small but mighty players in posture and breath. Hold the reach 5 seconds longer. Keep the ribs lifted. Are you collapsing into the stretch or lifting out of it? That just expanded your side body. Now let's reverse the disc posture. Hunched shoulders and a forward head are often the result of tightness, not weakness. This movement helps you peel that tension back. Interlace your fingers behind your back, press your knuckles down, and lift your chest. Breathe deeply into the front of your body. You can feel a stretch across the chest, shoulders, and collarbones. This resets the posture you carry into every conversation, every workout, and every breath. We're about to forward fold. This opener will make that easier. Can you press the fists just 1 inch further down? Are your shoulders opening or is your neck doing the work? That just opened your heart space. Now let's unwind the back line. Forward folds do more than stretch hamstrings. They teach your nervous system how to relax. This is the hinge where tension leaves the body. Stand tall, feet hip width. Hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your arms and head hang. Bend the knees slightly if needed. You can feel a release in the spine, a stretch in the hamstrings and calves, decompressing the neck. This move calms your whole system. I promise you'll breathe easier and stand clearer. Forward folds activate the parasympathetic nervous system, your calm state. Stay here 5 seconds. Let go of 10% more tension. Are you folding from the hips or curling from the spine? That just softened your back chain. Now let's finish where most forget, the neck. Neck tension is silent, sneaky, and often ignored. This is your moment to finally let it go. Sit or stand tall. Gently tilt your head to one side, ear toward shoulder. Hold, then switch sides after 30 seconds. Stay gentle. Breathe. You can feel a stretch along the side of your neck and into the traps. This decompresses your upper spine and clears tension you didn't even know you were carrying. Neck stretches improve blood flow to the brain and reduce mental fog. Tilt just 5% deeper, but without lifting your shoulder. Are you fighting the stretch or surrendering to it? That just clears your headspace. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.